This shed needs a new roof. Let's give it. Right, this is the shed roof. As you can see, very temporary. But we've got nice new metal sheeting to go on it. First job, get all this old stuff off, clean it all up, get some backers on. But we'll get there. Here we go. Apparently metal roofs are the way to go. So, let's give it a metal roof. Well, this is a metal roof. What do I know about putting on a metal roof? Yeah, nothing. But what do? We give it a go. Right, apart from the metal that we're actually putting on the roof, what else do we need? We need these special sort of screws. They've got a rubber washer on them, and that holds the metal down to the wooden backs. Then, to connect the metal together, we use these smaller ones. Much the same thing, but they are called stitchers, and they hold the metal together. And then, once we've done it, we put these little caps on, and they're colour-coded to the metal we're using. In our case, we're using green, so I like green. And they go on the top, like that. So, let's crack on.
Right, here we go, folks. Time to actually do something. Right, we're getting them battens down. So, most important, get them battens really straight and really where you need them, all the way across the building. Them screws have got to line up with them, and 9 times out of 10, you cannot see where them battens are once you get going. So, but once you get that, it's all pretty straightforward. Just make your way from one side all the way to the other. Well, probably the hardest part of this whole job was getting the metal on the roof. That stuff's pretty heavy. To be fair, it's probably a 2-man job. But once it's up there, it's all right. Just try and remember to wear gloves, because the side of this gear is like razor blades.
Right, what time is it? Gotta be coffee time. What other time is it? Subscribe time.
Well, that brings us to the final part, folks. This little bit's left, and then that's about it. Bit of tidying up. I've got to go round and put all the little plugs on the top of everything. It's worth remembering, every time you add a new sheet, you have to put mastic. The mastic I use is basically guttering mastic, the black stuff. It doesn't dry out, stays waterproof forever. So it's much better. And if you ever need to get them back up again, it's doable. So that's us, we're done. I'm just covering this last little bit with plastic for now, just because I've not got to that bit yet. I've had a slight change of plan, but that'll come clear in time. So till next time, I'll see you then.
Who can do anything they put their mind to? You can.